Hi friends, and welcome back to today's art tutorial. In today's video, I'm painting this beautiful blue whale from start to finish, and you can watch along with me. I'm using a very special watercolor. One I was able to create in collaboration with my dear friend Mette from Art to Basic. When Mette asked me to be one of the collaborators on the blue palette for 2025, I jumped at the chance. I could not even believe she chose me to be part of this group. What an honor, and it has been so much fun. And the other thing you can do is go find Mette from Art to Basic over at Instagram, and I will link her Instagram in the description. She is kind and beautiful and just has such a passion for art. Okay, are you ready? Here it comes. This is it. Is it gorgeous? I love this blue. Mette and I had so much fun. We conjured up a Zoom meeting because she lives in Denmark and I live in Southern California. And she was able to walk me through the process of choosing all the pigments that go into this blue. After we picked all the pigments and she mixed it right in front of my eyes, she then asked me to think about it, and I got to come up with the name for the color. So let me tell you how this name came to be. This custom blue is called Beloved. I wanted it to capture the deep, layered feeling of the ocean. It's so vast and so strong. And that reminds me of how vast and steady our Father's love is for us. It is strong, constant, and deeper than the sea, and He calls us His beloved. The colors I chose to work alongside with Beloved, the bottom color is called Toronto, or number 188. The color above is called the Wave. I know, can you even believe it? It's stunning. Number 243. Now, if you want to go see all the new blue palettes for 2025, you head over to arttobasic.com and you can see all the new blue colors yourself. But for now, I'm going to put some music on and you can sit back and watch the whole process and enjoy. And as always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you back again next week. Bye, friends.